Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Let us start current affairs of 1st September. First news is Union Minister Nitin Gadkari lays foundation stone for road projects worth rupees 777 crore rupees. He laid foundation stone for three important bridges, two road improvement projects and four other major bridge projects across rivers Vanganga, Bandia, Perikota and Perimili in Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray nuclear power plant Tarapur. 17th ASEAN India Economic Ministers consultation held virtually. Minister of Commerce and Industry and Railways Piyush Goyal and Minister of Industry and Trade of Vietnam Tran Tuan An. Focus of the meet was to discuss the reviewing of ASEAN-India Trade in Goods Agreement, which is recommended by ASEAN-India Business Council report. About ASEAN 2020 chairmanship is to Vietnam and chairman is Xuan Phuc, Secretariat, Jakarta, Indonesia. 6th International Military Technical Forum Army 2020 held in Russia. It was organized by Russian Defense Ministry and was operated by International Congress and Exhibitions Limited. Static facts are Russia, capital Moscow, currency ruble, President Vladimir Putin. PM Modi inaugurates college administration buildings of Rani Lakshmibai Central Agricultural University in Jhansi. Administration building of Rani Lakshmibai Central Agricultural University in Jhansi UP was inaugurated through video conference. वेदांता ने टाई अप किया है SBI के साथ फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म सिंडिकेटेड लोन ऑफ 10,000 crore rupees. Vedanta announced its tie-up for a long-term syndicated loan facility for 10,000 crore with SBI as facility agent and SBI Cap as the security trustee for 7 years. वेदांता लिमिटेड के CEO हैं सुनील दुग्गल, हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई महाराष्ट्र. ब्रिक्स स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर्स approve MOU for cooperation in the field of physical culture and sport. First meeting of BRICS ministers under the Russian BRICS chairmanship took place through video conferencing. BRICS sports ministers signed an MOU to strengthen and develop the cooperation in the field of physical culture and sport within the BRICS members. ब्रिक्स के चेयरमैन 2020 के लिए रशिया एंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ NDB इज फ्रॉडो ट्रॉइजो फ्रॉम ब्राज़ील. रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज़ ने अक्वायर किया है फ्यूचर ग्रुप को फॉर ₹24,713 करोड़ रुपीज़. स्टैटिक फैक्ट्स आर रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड मुकेश अंबानी, हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई महाराष्ट्र. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport wins CII GBC National Energy Leader Award. At the 21st National Awards for Excellence in Energy Management. It was organized by CII and Godrej Green Business Center. The award was given to RINL also during the 19th edition of Energy Efficiency Summit. CII के प्रेसिडेंट हैं उदय कोटक. प्रेसिडेंट डेजिग्नेट इज TV Narendran and headquarter is in New Delhi. New e-market platform Agriota launched to bridge the gap between Indian farmers and UAE food industry. UAE has launched Agriota, Agri Commodity Trading and Sourcing e-market platform during a e-launch during a launch ceremony which was attended by Pawan Kapoor, who is Ambassador of India to UAE. UAE के static facts हैं: capital Abu Dhabi, currency dirham, and president is Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Department of Telecommunications एंड सेबी अप्रूव कर दिया है ब्रूकफील्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पार्टनर्स प्रपोजल टू एक्वायर रिलायंस टेलीकॉम टावर एसेट्स टू सेल यूनिट्स वर्थ रुपीज़ 25,215 crore rupees in tower infrastructure trust to Brookfield Infrastructure's partners. It also approved a downstream foreign investment of rupees 105.35 crore to acquire remaining 49% paid up equity share capital. Static facts are Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, Headquarters Canada, CEO Sam Pollock. फार्मूला वन चैम्पियन मर्सिडीज़ के लुइस हैमिल्टन ने जीता है बेल्जियन ग्रैंड प्री. दिस इज़ फॉर हिज fourth time and his 89th Grand Prix. Formula 1 champion Lewis Hamilton won Belgian Grand Prix 2020, his fourth Belgian Grand Prix and his 89th career title. India and Russia declared a joint winners of 2020 online FIDE Chess Olympiad. This was the first time that FIDE was holding the Olympiad in an online format. Dr. S. Padmavati, India's first female and oldest cardiologist, founder of AIHF and NHI, and Padma Awardee, died of COVID-19. Dr. S. Padmavati Iyer, India's first female and oldest cardiologist, died at the age of 103. She was founder of AIHF and NIH, New Delhi, India, and established the first cardiac clinic and catheterization lab at the Lady Hardinge Medical College in India. She is popularly known as Godmother of Cardiology, and she was given Padma Bhushan in the year 1967 and Padma Vibhushan 1992. Katyayani Shankar Vajpayee, ex-Indian ambassador and chairman of Delhi Policy Group, died. Katyayani Shankar Vajpayee, Indian ambassador to US, Pakistan, Netherlands and China, passed away. He co-founded the Delhi Policy Group, an independent think tank, in 1994 and remained its chairman since then. He served as the former Indian Secretary and External Affairs Minister. Important days are International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance on 30th August. September to be observed as a Nutrition Month according to PM Modi. PM Modi in his Mann Ki Baat during the monthly radio broadcast program, Prime Minister Modi announced to celebrate September 2020 as Poshan Mah or Nutrition Month. Nutrition Month was celebrated earlier in September 2018 and 19 also. These are two questions for quiz. Which country has co-sponsored UNSC resolution introduced by Indonesia for participation of women in peacekeeping forces? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं थाईलैंड, इंडिया, न्यूजीलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड जापान. Second question is Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance Company has entered into partnership with which RRB to offer life insurance. इन दोनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करने हैं. थैंक यू ऑल.